Welcome to another episode of Tracepos Training Guide. In today's episode, we will be learning how to record purchases on Tracepos. This process involves adding new purchase transactions, selecting suppliers, adding items, selecting purchase date, order status, and payment details. Log into Tracepos to access the dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, click on Purchases. Click on the Add New Purchase button. You can leave the invoice number field blank to allow Tracepos to automatically generate an invoice number for the purchase. If you have an invoice number from your supplier's receipt, you can enter it in the invoice number field. Search for the supplier's name using the search bar. If the supplier is not already in the Tracepos database, click on the plus icon to add a new supplier. Provide the necessary information, including supplier name, phone number, email address, and other relevant details. Click on the Create button to save the new supplier information. Select the newly added supplier from the list of existing suppliers. Specify the date of the purchase transaction in the designated field. Search for the item name, item barcode, or scan the barcode to identify the item that you purchased. Specify the quantity of the item purchased. If the item is not already on Tracepos, click on the plus icon button to create the item. Create the item and set the opening stock to 0. This way the item quantity will not be duplicated. After creating the new item, search for it and add it to the purchases cart. Next, specify the quantity of the item purchased. You can also edit the unit purchase price. If the item has a new purchase price, you can update it by clicking on the edit icon. Enter the new unit purchase price in the unit price field. Click on the Update button to save the changes. Repeat this step to add all the items in the receipt invoice. Choose the order status from the available options, e.g., received, pending, ordered. Cross-check the total value displayed in the invoice with the total amount calculated in the purchase form. Ensure both totals match before proceeding. Click on the Save button to finalize the purchase transaction. In the All Purchases tab, locate the purchase transaction just created. Under the Actions column, click on the View button to access payment details. Click on the Add New Payment button. Enter the payment details, including payment date, payment method, e.g., First Bank, and payment amount. Click on the Create button to save the payment information. To obtain a copy of the purchase invoice, click on the Invoice button. The invoice will be downloaded in a suitable format for internal filing. This process allows you to effectively manage your purchases, track inventory, and record payments within the Tracepos system. By following these steps, you can maintain accurate records of your business transactions. That's it for today's Tracepos training guide. You've successfully learned how to record purchases in Tracepos. Keep managing your transactions effortlessly with these simple steps. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy managing!